Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I have used only one brush and my finger to do this eye makeup. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So my face makeup is already done. I'm going to start with the eye makeup. For the eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Dusk palette and this blending brush from PAC. It's in the number 041. For my first crease shade, I'm using this shade called Eden right here, and I'm applying it in my crease in windshield wiper motion. For my next transition shade, I'm using this color called Brighten, and I'm again following the same steps. I'm again taking the same shade Blazing, and this time I'm going a little down to my outer lid and again blending in the crease. As you can see, I'm also blending in my outer lid and in my crease. To darken up my crease, I'm taking this brown shade called Oud. I'm applying very little of it in this socket. That's it. Now I'm just going to wipe the brush so that there's no brown shade on that, and I'm just going to blend that shade. For my lid color, I'm using this shade right here, and I'm just using my finger to apply it. I'm using the same blazing shade I used earlier, and I'm just darkening up my crease. I'm also applying a little bit in the outer corner. To apply the shadows under my eyes, I'm just going to pinch this brush like so, and I'm using the orange shade which I used under my eyes. Next, I'm using the brown shade called Oud and applying it only in the outer section. Finally, I'm just kind of blending the colors. For my mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. It comes with a lash primer on one side, so I'm just going to apply that first. I'm applying the mascara even on my lower lashes. I'll just apply falsies and be right back. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Microbrow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Then for the highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Iconic palette. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new video every Wednesday and Saturday. So I'll see you in my next video on Wednesday. Bye.